Okay, hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to start or get started with the Maalo app today. So shall just click on our app like that. Head to the profile button. Now here we shall have to sign up or create an account with the app. So I prefer signing in with Google because it's easier and faster. You can have your account set up in just seconds and boom, the account has been set up. So without wasting time, we shall click on the sale button. Now here you shall have to input our phone number, the one which is going to be used by clients to inbox you or call you. Now I suggest that you make the phone number a business phone number than usually used for transactions. Now after you've input the number, they will send you a verification code. Okay, there it is, 99651 45. We verify our phone number like that, and after verification shall take us to the next step. Now here we're going to choose a business name or a store name if you like to call it. I'll go with Royal Sneakers because I prefer it's a good name to use to build a brand, because with Maalo app you're not just selling products, you're building a brand. And for the business description, this requires you to explain a little bit more of what you're dealing in. So I tell you deals in all kinds of sneakers and footwear for both male or for both men and women. So we shall go to the next step. Now here we shall have to choose a retail type, what you specialize in. In case you do retail, you click retail. In case you're a wholesaler, you click. In case you are a service provider, the app does not segregate it, also caters for you. So I'll choose wholesale and retail because I feel it's easier. So we shall be selecting a photo. So I'll tap on add photo because I already have what I want to post in my gallery. Add. Okay, so I need to select another one. So in selecting an image, shall see I'm going to select, since I have a few, I'll select this one. I think it will speak more. But in case you want to add another photo, it doesn't refuse. I can also add this just and add store. And we are going to set up the location of our phone. Now when setting up location, I suggest you be more specific. So I'm going to choose a random building. I'll choose Nana since it's well known for having sneakers. Nana Shoe Center. Let me say basement. Shop number L25. Maybe. Save and continue. Now we've finished setting up a business profile and it's done.